Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Today we're going to do rational numbers exercise 1A. So what are rational numbers? So before we begin rational numbers, let's quickly review a few other types of numbers. That is, we have our natural numbers. What are natural numbers? They're also known as counting numbers and they begin from 1. So 1, 2, 3 onwards, it goes on indefinitely. These are called counting numbers or natural numbers. So natural numbers begin from 1. And then we have the whole numbers. Whole numbers begin from 0 and continue and it goes on indefinitely. Then we have the integers. What are integers? Integers are negative of natural numbers, 0 and natural numbers. So we have negative numbers, we have positive numbers and we have 0. These are called integers. Now what are rational numbers? Now suppose we take two numbers and both are integers. Now integers can be negative, can be positive, can be 0. So let's take an example. Now instead of P, I'm going to take say 3 and instead of Q, I'm going to take 4. Now the statement here is if P and Q both are integers. Now both are integers, isn't it? 3 and 4 are integers and Q is not equal to 0. See Q is equal to 4. It's not equal to 0. Then P by Q. So what will P by Q be? 3 by 4. Isn't it? It's called a rational number. As long as Q, that is the denominator, is not 0. If you can get integers in this form, they are called rational numbers. Remember, you cannot have the denominator as 0. So if you can get any two integers, it can be minus 3, minus 4. And if you can put it in this form as P by Q and Q is not equal to 0, it's called a rational number. Exercise 1A is found on page number 9. Question 1. Add each pair of rational numbers. So we have a pair of rational numbers given and show that their addition, that is their sum, is also a rational number. The answer should be a rational number. So we're going to add this up. So let's write that minus 5 by 8 plus, we are adding it up, isn't it? 3 by 8. Now we have learned that when the denominators are the same, you can use the same denominator as the LCM. So here 8 will be our LCM. So if the denominators are the same, then we can write the numerators also as it is. So this will become minus 5 plus 3. Now minus 5 plus 3 signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number minus and subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have minus 2 by 8. Now we can reduce 2 and 8. 2 by 8 to the lowest term. Now we can cancel both by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So what do we have here? Here we have minus 1 by 4. So this is our answer. Minus 1 by 4 is the answer to the first question. Question 2. So here also we have two rational numbers. We're going to add up these two. So let's write that. So this becomes minus 8 by 13 plus minus 4 by 13. Here also denominators are the same. So we can write the same denominator and the same numerators. Minus 8 plus minus 4. So this will be minus 8 and because the sign before the bracket is plus, this will remain the same. So it becomes minus 4. Minus 8 minus 4 by 13. Minus 8 minus 4 signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 by 13. The final answer here is minus 12 by 13. Question 3. Here also we're going to add 6 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. So this is 6 by 11 plus minus 9 by 11. Again, denominators are the same. So we write the same denominator and the same numerators. So 6 plus minus 9. This becomes 6 minus 9 by 11. So signs are different. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 9 minus 6 is 3 by 11. So the answer is minus 3 by 11. Question 4. 5 by minus 26 and 8 by 39 we have to add. Now whenever you have the denominator as negative, change that minus sign to the numerator. Transfer it to the numerator. So let's write down this now. So now this becomes minus 5 by 26. Now your denominator is positive, minus 5 by 26 plus 8 by 39. As you can see, the denominators are different. Whenever the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM. So let's find the LCM of 26 and 39. Now let's take 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and then we bring down 39. Now 13 is divisible only by 13. So 13 ones are 13, 13 threes are 39. Continue. This time you can use 3. This is 1 and 3 ones are 3. So the LCM will be 2 into 3 into 13. So 2 threes are 6. 6 into 13 is 78. So the LCM is 78. So let's write that down as a common denominator. Now what we usually do is this, isn't it? So we look at the first fraction, the denominator is 26. 26 into what is 78? So 26 into 3. 26 into 3 is 78. So we multiply this also by 3. So minus 5 into 3 is minus 15 plus, now go to the second fraction, 8 by 39. The denominator 39 into what is 78? 39 into 2 is 78. So we multiply 8 also by 2. 8 2s are 16. Now this is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is take this fraction, whatever fraction you've been given, take that fraction. So let me take that minus 5 by 26, minus 5 by 26, and multiply this with the LCM, 78. So here you can cancel 26 into 3, and 5 into minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. So here also we've got minus 15. This is another way of doing. Here you have minus 15, here you have minus 15. So here we did this way and got minus 15. This is another way of doing it and getting it. So here also 8 by 39, let's take it and write it here, 8 by 39, and multiply this with the LCM, which is 78. Now cancel, 39 2s are 78, and 8 into 2 is 16. So here also we've got 16, and here as you can see by this method also we've got 16. So you can use one of these methods to get your numerators. Okay, now here we have minus 15 plus 16. Signs are different, so we put the sign of the bigger number, which is plus, and subtract. 16 minus 15 is 1, and the denominator is 78. So the answer here is 1 by 78. Question 5. Now here also, as you can see, the denominator is negative. So let's transfer this minus sign to the numerator. So what does this become? This becomes minus 5 by 6, and we are adding 2 by 3 to it. So again, the LCM is different. The denominators are different. So we find the LCM of 6 and 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then we have 2 1s are 2, and we bring down 1. So the LCM is 3 into 2, which is 6. So LCM is 6. We're going to use that as the common denominator, 6. Now let's use the other method to find the numerators. So minus 5 by 6 into 6. Okay, so we cancel. So you take the fraction and you multiply it by the LCM. So now what do we have here? We have minus 5 left, and that we can write here minus 5. So the first numerator is minus 5 plus, take the second fraction, 2 by 3, and multiply this by the LCM, 6. So 3 2s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. So we have a new numerator here, 4. So now we have minus 5 plus 4. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 5 minus 4 is 1, and the denominator is 6. So what is our answer? Our answer is minus 1 by 6. Question 6. Now here we have minus 2 and 2 by 5. So we can write this as minus 2 by 1 plus 2 by 5. Now the LCM here will be 5. Whenever you have 1 and another number, the other number will be the LCM. So here also we can use the other method and get the numerators. Minus 2 by 1 into 5. Okay, so here it is, multiply this, this will be minus 10 by 1, which is minus 10. We can write here minus 10 plus 2 by 5. Take the second fraction and multiply it by the LCM, which is 5. Here 5 and 5 get cancelled, and what is left is only 2. So we can write 2 here. So here we have minus 10 plus 2. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. Minus 8 by 5. Now we can convert this to a mixed number. So the sign is minus 8 by 5. Now if you have 8 by 5, how do we say? 5 ones are 5. How much is left? 6, 7, 8. That is 3 by 5. So we have 1, 3 by 5. So the final answer is minus 1, 3 by 5. Question 7. So here again, in the first fraction, the denominator has a minus sign. We'll transfer it to the numerator. So this becomes minus 9 by 4 plus minus 3 by 8. 4 and 8. Two different denominators. Let's find the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2, 1 and 1. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, LCM is 8. So here let's write 8 as the LCM. So let's take the first fraction, minus 9 by 4 multiplied by the LCM 8. So here 4 2s are 8. Now multiply minus 9 into 2 minus 18. 9 2s are 18. So this will be minus 18 plus, let's take the second fraction, minus 3 by 8 and multiply this by the LCM, which is 8. Now 8 and 8 get cancelled, so we only have minus 3 left. So this will be plus minus 3. So this is minus 18 minus 3. Because we have plus before the bracket, this sign will not change. So now we have this. Let's write this. Now when both the signs are the same, we put the same sign and we add 18 plus 3 is 21. Minus 21 by 8 is our answer. If you have to convert it to a mixed number, the minus sign remains. 21 by 8, when you divide 21 by 8, we say 8 2s are 16. We get a number close to 21. 8 2s are 16. Now what is left? After 16, you must get 21. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's 5. 2, 5 by 8. So this is our final answer, minus 2, 5 by 8. Question 8. 7 by minus 18. Let's transfer this minus sign to the numerator. So this becomes minus 7 by 18 plus 8 by 27. So let's find the LCM of 18 and 27. Divide this by 3. 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 27. Again by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Continue with 3. Bring down the 2, 3 1s are 3. Now use 2. 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 2 is 54. So our LCM here is 54. Now let's take the first fraction, that is minus 7 by 18. Multiply this by the LCM, which is 54. Now 18 into what is 54? 18 3s are 54. So when you multiply minus 7 into 3, we get minus 21. So let's write that here, minus 21. Take the second fraction, which is 8 by 27. Multiply this by the LCM, which is 54. Cancel 27 and 54. 27 2s are 54. Multiply 8 into 2, which is 16. So here it is plus 16. So signs are different. Put the sign of a bigger number and subtract. 21 minus 16 is 5 by 54. So what is our final answer? Minus 5 by 54. Question 2. Evaluate. So here we already have the addition given to us. So let's begin by writing 5 by 9 plus minus 7 by 6. Now find the LCM of the denominators 9 and 6. Let's use 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Continue with 3. 3 1s are 3. Bring down 2. Continue with 2, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So our LCM here is 18. Take the first fraction, 5 by 9 multiplied by 18. So 9 into 2 is 18, isn't it? So cancel, 9 2s are 18 and the numerators 5 2s are 10. So our first numerator is 10 plus, take the second fraction minus 7 by 6, multiply it by the LCM which is 18, cancel 6 and 18, 6 threes are 18, multiply the numerators, minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. So here let's write minus 21. Now this will be 10 minus 21 because before the bracket we have a plus sign, so this will not change. Now this is by 18. So here signs are different. This has a plus sign, 21 has a minus sign. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract 21. Minus 10 is 11 and the denominator is 18. So what's the final answer? Minus 11 by 18. Next question, 4 plus 3 by minus 5. So 4 first, let's make it a fraction, 4 by 1 plus, now 3 by minus 5, let's change this minus 5, transfer the minus sign to the numerator. So this becomes minus 3 by 5. So here the LCM, because the denominators are 1 and 5, the LCM will be 5. So here 4 by 1. So 4 by 1 into the LCM which is 5. 4 5s are 20. So this is 20 plus, let's take the second fraction, minus 3 by 5 multiplied by the LCM. Now cancel. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled and we have only minus 3. So here let's write that minus 3. Open the brackets. 20 minus 3 by 5. 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 by 5. Your answer is 17 by 5. If you have to convert it to a mixed number, then say your tables of 5, get a number close to 17. 5 threes are 15. What is remaining? 16, 17, 2. 2 is remaining and your denominator is 5. So your final answer will be 3, 2 by 5 or 17 by 5. Question 3, 1 by minus 15. So we're going to transfer the minus sign, minus 1 by 15 plus transfer the minus sign, minus 5 by 12. So denominators are different. Let's find the LCM of 15 and 12. So let's begin with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Now let's move to 5. 5 1s are 5. Bring down 4. Now you can use 2. 1, 2 2s are 4 and 2 once more. 1 and 1. So what is your LCM? 3 into 5 into 2 into 2. 3 5s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 30 2s are 60. So the LCM is 60. So let's use that. Now take the first fraction, minus 1 by 15. Multiply it by the LCM which is 60. Cancel 15 and 60. 15 4s are 60. Multiply the numerators, minus 4. So what do we have here? First one, let's write it down here as minus 4 plus. Take the second fraction, minus 5 by 12. Multiply it by the LCM, 60. Cancel, 12 5s are 60. Multiply the numerators. Minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. So let's write that, minus 25. So here we have minus 4 plus minus 25. Let's remove the brackets. Minus 4 minus 25 by 60. Signs are the same, so put the same sign and add. 4 plus 25 is 29 and the denominator is 60. So our final answer here is minus 29 by 60. Next one, 5 by 9 plus 3 by minus 4. So let's write that, 5 by 9 plus, transfer the minus sign to the numerator, minus 3 by 4. So here denominators are different. Let's find the LCM of 9 and 4. Use 3, 3 3s are 9. Bring down 4. Continue with 3, 3 1s are 3. Bring down the 4. Now use 2, 1, 2 2s are 4. Continue with 2, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36. So the LCM is 36. So let's use that as a common denominator. Take the first fraction, 5 by 9, multiply it with the LCM into 36. Now cancel, 9 4s are 36. Now multiply the numerators, 5 4s are 20. So we have our first numerator, 20, plus, take the second fraction, minus 3 by 4. Multiply it with the LCM, 36. Cancel 4 and 36. 4 nines are 36. Now multiply the numerators. 9 threes are 27. We have a minus sign. Minus 27. Let's write it here. Minus 27. Now remove the brackets. 20 minus 27 by 36. So this has a plus sign and the other one has a minus sign. Signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 27 minus 20 is 7 by 36. Final answer, minus 7 by 36. Question 5. So here we have minus 8 by 9 plus minus 5 by 12. So let's give the sign to the numerator, minus 8 by 9 plus minus 5 by 12. Let's find the LCM of 9 and 12. Let's begin with 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Continue with 3. 3 ones are 3. Bring down the 4. Now go to 2. 2 twos are 4. Continue with 2, 1 and 1. So what is your LCM? 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18, 18 twos are 36. So our LCM is 36. So let's use that, 36. Take the first fraction, minus 8 by 9. Multiply it with the LCM. Now cancel 9 and 36. Now multiply the numerators. 8 fours are 32 and a minus sign is there. Let's write that, minus 32 plus. Take the second fraction, minus 5 by 12. Multiply with the LCM. Cancel 12 and 36. 12 threes are 36. Multiply the numerators. 5 threes are 15 minus 15. Let's write it here, minus 15. Now remove the brackets. Minus 32 minus 15 by 36. Signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. 32 plus 15 is 47. Minus 47 by 36. This is your answer. You can also convert it to a mixed number. Question 6. Now here it is 0 plus minus 2 by 7. Now we know that 0 plus any number will give us back the same number. So here it will be minus 2 by 7. Our answer is minus 2 by 7. Even if you have to work this out, you will still get minus 2 by 7. Okay, so we will stop with this here. So this is our answer, minus 2 by 7. Question 7, we have 5 by minus 11 plus 0. So here first thing we'll change the minus sign, we'll transfer it to the numerator. So it becomes minus 5 by 11 plus 0. So anything when you add to 0, you get back the same thing. So this is minus 5 by 11. So this is our final answer. Question 8, 2 plus minus 3 by 5. So this is 2 by 1. We'll make it a fraction plus minus 3 by 5. So the LCM in this case will simply be 5 because among the denominators, one is 5 and the other is 1. So when you have 1 and another number, the other number becomes the LCM. So now take the first fraction, 2 by 1 multiplied by the LCM, which is 5. So here let's multiply the numerators. 2 5s are 10. 10 by 1 is 10. So let's write 10 here. Take the second fraction, minus 3 by 5 multiplied by the LCM, which is 5. Cancel the 5s. And what do we have? We have minus 3. So let's write there minus 3 here. Now remove the brackets. So 10 minus 3 by 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 by 5 is your answer. If you convert it to a mixed number, divide 7 by 5. 5 ones are 5. What is remaining? 6, 7, 2 by 5. So 1, 2 by 5. Question 9. So here let's change the minus sign to the numerator. So it becomes minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 1. We are making that a fraction. So here the denominator or the LCM is 9. Now take the first fraction, minus 4 by 9 multiplied by the LCM, which is 9. Cancel 9 and 9. So what do we have left? Minus 4. We can write that here. Minus 4 plus, take the other one, 1 by 1 into 9. Okay. So this becomes 1 9s are 9, 9 by 1 which is 9. So here we just have to write 9 here. Now the signs are different. -4 plus 9. Put the sign of the bigger number. That is plus. Now subtract 9 minus 4. It is 5. 5 by 9. So what is our answer here? 5 by 9 is our final answer. So we will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.